Hello friends, today's essay is on the topic World Population Day. World Population Day is celebrated every year on July 11th. So World Population Day is on July 11th. Well, okay, let's start our essay. World Population Day is an annual celebration of raising awareness about the global population status and the impact of population growth. World Population Day is an annual celebration. It's an annual celebration, so it is celebrated every year on July 11th, and it's give a awareness, raising awareness about the global population status. What is the population of the whole world and the country where we are living, and the impact of the population growth. What are the factors we are facing by this population growth? Day by day, the population is increasing. So what are the impact of this population growth to us and to the nature? All the things are provided, given an awareness to all the people on this day. So this is the main factor of celebrating World Population Day. Okay, next, the event was established in the year 1989 by Governing Council of United Nations Development Program, UNDP. UNDP celebrating this event from 1989 in response to the world population reaches 5 billion peoples on July 11, 1987. This July 11 date is taken to celebrate World Population Day because on 11th July 1987 the world population reaches 5 billions. So this day is taken as to celebrate World Population Day by reaching 5 billions on this day, July 11th in 1987. So July 11th is celebrated as World Population Day. Next, on World Population Day, various programs are organized in which people are warned against the danger caused by population growth and educate them about family planning and other population control methods. On this day, various programs are conducted in the whole world to give awareness to the people about the family planning and other population control methods. So they are given educated. They are educated about this family planning and population control methods. Next, they are also given awareness and attention on the various population issues existing in the ecosystem like poverty, maternal health, unemployment, shortage of food. Also, natural resources such as land, air and water are limited. Overconsumption of this lead to a tremendous loss. Yes, they are also given various awareness on attention of the various population issues, the factors they are going to face if the population is growing day by day like this, the population issues existing in the ecosystem like the poverty, overpopulation created poverty, maternal health, the woman's health, unemployment, and unemployment. If the population is increases, unemployment arises, shortage of food, scarcity of food is also arises, and also natural resources such as land, air and water are limited. Overconsumption of this leads to a tremendous loss. The natural resources like land, air and water, where overconsumption of these resources will lead to a loss. Okay, so water is scarce, land overpopulation, we cultivate more, so we utilize land, cut down the trees, more trees are cut down, and utilizing more lands for cultivation. Water are used by overused if the population is increases. So these are the natural resources which are limited. Overconsumption of this lead to a tremendous loss. As per the reports, there were an estimated 7.8 billion people living on Earth as of March 2021. This year, the UNFPA's goal on World Population Day is to raise awareness of women's and girl needs for sexual and reproductive health and vulnerabilities during the pandemics. Yes, to this Population status of 2021 March is 7.8 billion peoples are living on the earth. And UNFPA's goal on World Population Day, this is the theme of the World Population Day of 2021, to give more awareness to women's and girl need for sexual and reproductive health, their health condition for reproductive COVID-19 pandemic. So during this pandemics, we're giving more importance to the women's health, the sexual and reproductive health of women's and girls. This was the essay on World Population Day. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. Okay, bye.